How interesting will it be if you could roast your coffee in your home? Have you ever thought of buying a green beans and roasting it in your home and then brewing it at the same period of time, doing it all your own? कति रमाइलो हुन्थ्यो होला यो एउटा छुट्टै खालको मजा आउने कामहरु गरिन्छ. That's right people, and today we're gonna roast the coffee. We're gonna talk about a sample roaster which you can roast it on your own in your home. What's up everyone, welcome to the Baristas Coffee School. I know it's been a very long period of time, but coming after a very long period of time, it's totally a new vibe. So as of the video, what we're gonna do is we're gonna talk about a roasting machine. This small coffee sample roaster, which is pretty much easy to use, इसको नाम से Dream Cafe roaster, Dream Cafe sample roaster actually. You can roast it in your home as well. I have been using it for quite some period of time. I actually love it. I actually love it. Now talking about this roasting machine, now most of the people have already seen drum roasters. Commercial way coffee. This is a very small roasters. And basically it's a convection roaster or you say hot air So let's do a quick review on these sample roasters. So we're gonna start with the first thing, which is basically this jar over here. You can remove this one. You say go roasting drum. So it's a very hard glass most probably. You there food green beans now depends how many what kind of processed coffee you guys are using it. Normally if you're using dry processed coffee, it's mentioned over here I basically have used it 200 grams, and if you would like it you can use the green beans around like soy 150 grams use. So I pretty much like this one. You put the green beans over here and then you lock it. Oh, that's opposite. How do you do it? There you go. We have a very quick these two switch, which is basically a temperature control gonna switch or on off gonna switch. So we have got two, which is basically control roasting profiles. Over here we have got chaff collector. Silver skin or chaff point of time if you are using it, pipe window or else room now this coffee roaster is basically 220 volt ko hune kaamharu garcha ra yo chai 1.3 kilowatt ko cha. Now this was discovered very long period of time. There are lot of videos that you can see on YouTube channel as well. This is not too heavy, most probably 3 to 4 kilos matters are tyo bhanda badi matama chaina. So you can, it's a portable device, you can just collect it, you can move it anywhere you'd like, roast it anywhere you would like, maybe in your home, maybe in your office if you'd like it. So yes, without wasting much time now, let's start and roast some coffees. So as I am going to roast Lamzungu coffee. Now this is a wash process coffee and I am trying to roast it between 10 to 15 minutes roast I am aiming for medium light roast and till the temperature 250 degrees Celsius. So that's my target basically, and let's see how it goes. Before starting, I just want to preheat the cylinder actually. So I'll just do it for like 2 or maybe 3 minutes. That's how it does. Just 3 minutes now. It's very hot and you have to be very much careful. यो भागमा पनि तापनि फिल्ने कामहरु गर्छ. मिस्टेकली तपाईले like ग्लासमा समात्यो भने च्याप्पा समात्यो भने चाहिँ you will burn your hands. So you have to be very much careful about those things as well. So after this is done, मैले already नापिसकेको छ 200 grams of green beans. This is done right here. There we go. The roasting has been started. It's exactly 15 minutes, so I'm not gonna cool it down. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna stop it right there. Nikalera चाहिँ यसरी निकाल्दिने. Just be careful on this part. Just put it here. Alright people, so done with the roasting. Let's check the color. Looks pretty good to me, pretty nice to me. Let's see the color on this one. It's pretty nice. We need to taste it. I'm gonna rest it for like almost maybe 24 hours, and then we can cup it together and let's figure it out. Kasto khalko taste, kasto khalko profile or something. Alright people, so thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope that you liked the video and you enjoyed the sample roasting as well. Let us know what you think about the sample roaster. If you think this is something that you want to use, definitely comment that on the comment section as well. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hit that like button if you video मन पर्यो भने. Subscribe the channel if you Till then, I'm gonna see you next time with the next post, guys. Take care of yourself. Bye bye. Drink Nepali coffee, brew Nepali coffee. I'll see you next time.